Alright, so let's talk about MIMo AI. It's a new tool that's been making some noise in the AI video space. In simple terms, this is a piece of software that can take a single picture of a character and make it move. You give it a reference video of someone doing an action dancing, walking, talking, and a static image of a character you like. MIMo AI then uses artificial intelligence to transfer the motion from the video onto your character, creating a brand new video where your character performs those exact actions. It's designed to be a straightforward way to generate controllable character videos. The basic idea here is motion capture, but without all the expensive suits and complex three-dimensional software. The goal is to make video synthesis accessible to more people. You don't need to be a professional animator or a VFX artist to get a result. The tool is built to handle different kinds of characters. Photograph of a real person, a cartoon drawing, a three-dimensional virtual avatar. It's all about taking a still image and breathing life into it using a separate video as a guide. The promise is a fast, scalable, realistic output from very simple inputs. This specific MIMo AI, found at mimoai.com, is focused exclusively on video generation. You might see other products with similar names out there. For example, Xiaomi has its own MIMo AI models, but those are large language models for different tasks. There's also a MIMo chatbot app and a MIMo coding platform. This is not any of those. The tool we're looking at today is purely for creating character animation videos. So let's get straight to the one-liner. MIMo AI is a paid tool for making realistic character videos from images and motion inputs. This review is based on the information available as of April 2026. The AI space moves incredibly fast, so features and pricing can change. But the core function of this tool is its unique approach to character animation. It's less about generating entire scenes from a text prompt, and more about giving you precise control over a single character's performance. It works entirely in your web browser, which means there's no heavy software to download and install, making it accessible on both computers and mobile devices. Let's dig a little deeper into what it can do. When you look at the feature list for MIMo AI, there are a few key things that stand out. Here's the overview. The first one is what they call arbitrary character control. This is the main selling point. It means you can animate almost any character from just one single image. You don't need to provide a three-dimensional model or a sequence of drawings from different angles. You just need one clear front-facing picture. This lowers the barrier to entry significantly. You can grab a photo, a piece of digital art, or a frame from a movie. Next up is novel 3D motion control. This sounds technical, but it's actually pretty straightforward. The AI is designed to understand complex movements from regular, everyday videos in the wild. It can extract the subtle nuances of how a person moves in three-dimensional space and apply that to your two-dimensional character image. This is what separates it from simpler animation tools that might just move limbs around. MIMo AI tries to capture the full body language, the turn of a head, and the shift in weight, to make the final video feel more dynamic and believable. Then there's interactive scene control. This feature is about making the character look like it's actually part of a scene, not just a sticker slapped on a background. The AI is built to handle things like object interactions and occlusions. For example, if the person in your source video walks behind a lamppost, the AI will try to make your animated character do the same thing convincingly. So, how do you actually use MIMo AI to make a video? The process is designed to be as simple as possible, and it breaks down into a few basic steps. Upload source video. First, you need to find your source material. This means you need a source video that contains the actions you want your character to perform. This could be a clip of someone dancing. This could be a person giving a presentation. This could be an athlete running. The key is to find a video where the motion is clear and the subject is well lit and easy for the AI to track. The quality of this source video will directly impact the quality of your final output. Upload character image. Once you have your source video, the next step is to choose your target character. This will be a single static image. It can be a photograph, it can be a cartoon, it can be an anime character, it can be a digital painting. For the best results, you'll want a high-resolution image where the character is clearly visible, preferably in a neutral, forward-facing pose. You'll upload this image to the MIMo AI platform. The AI will then analyze this image to understand the character's structure, shape, and appearance, preparing it for the animation process that comes next. Click Generate. With your source video and character image uploaded, you're ready to generate. There might be a few simple settings you can adjust, like the length of the video. There might also be style parameter options, but the core process is mostly automated. You hit the Generate button, and the AI gets to work. It analyzes the motion in the source video frame by frame. It applies that motion data to your character image, synthesizing a brand new video where your character is the star. This process is surprisingly fast, often taking just seconds or a few minutes. This is the big question everyone asks about any new AI tool. What's it doing? Just it do one. What's it going to cost me? Well, let's be very clear about this. MIMo AI is not a free tool. To use its features, you will have to pay. The website requires you to sign up for an account to get started. You will be presented with different pricing packages. This is a commercial product positioned as a premium service for those who need its specific capabilities. There is no free tier or free trial as of early 2026. The exact pricing structure isn't detailed publicly without signing up. The model is typical for these kinds of services. You can likely expect either a subscription-based plan, monthly fee, yearly fee, for a certain amount of video generation credits, or a one-time purchase model for a block of credits. Subscription models are more common in the AI space. They provide ongoing revenue to support heavy computational costs. So, you should go in with the expectation that this is a paid service you'll need to budget for. The only official place to access and purchase MIMo AI is through its website, mimoai.com. Everything happens in your browser. Affiliate sites may link to it, but it's always safest to go directly to the source yourself. So, who is the ideal user for MIMo AI? When you break down its features, a few key groups come to mind. Content creators, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. Create unique, eye-catching videos very quickly. Imagine a viral dance challenge with a famous cartoon character, with a historical figure. Creators who churn out daily content, fast visuals, no traditional animation time sync. Animators, small animation studios, shoot a quick phone video. Apply the motion to a character sketch. Rapid iteration before, frame by frame, or rigging. Marketers and agencies, short, dynamic social ads, animate a mascot, animate a product character, react to trends, same-day turnaround, storytellers, educators, virtual influencers, anyone who needs to make a character move fast. The AI video generation market is getting crowded, so it's important to know where MIMo AI fits in. Let's compare it to two big players, Runway ML and Pika Labs. These tools are seen as leaders, but they operate differently. Runway and Pika focus on generating entire video scenes from text prompts. They also use a combination of text and images. Example, type a dragon flying over a futuristic city, and they'll try to create that scene. MIMo AI is fundamentally different. It doesn't focus on generating scenes from scratch. Instead, it specializes in motion transfer for a single character, mapping a real video performance onto a character image. That gives you more control over specific actions than a text prompt alone. Pricing matters. Many competitors use freemium. MIMo AI appears to be paid only. It emphasizes mobile friendliness, while some complex tools remain desktop-focused. So, after looking at all the pieces, what's the final verdict on MIMo AI in 2026? This is a highly specialized and powerful tool for a very specific job. Its main strength, the primary reason you'd choose it, is single image character animation via motion transfer. The tech can take a simple video, a single picture, and merge them into a new animated performance. For creators who need that exact functionality, MIMo AI offers a fast, streamlined, mobile-friendly solution. However, paid only and a lack of widespread public reviews means you're taking a leap of faith. My advice, if single image animation from a source video fits your workflow, visit mimoai.com to see examples and pricing. Make sure it's the official site. If bringing static characters to life is your goal, this could be a game changer. Just be prepared for the price of admission.